conversation longer? How can I make conversation effectively? How can I talk effectively? There are some tips I am going to give you. Before watching video, please subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon. आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी। तो आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे अपनी वोकैबुलरी को कैसे इम्प्रूव करें, कैसे एनहेंस करें। तो उसके लिए वी आर गोइंग टू गिव सम टिप्स, सो वी हैव टू फॉलो देम। एंड अगर आपकी वोकैबुलरी अच्छी नहीं है, आप अपनी कन्वर्सेशन अच्छी नहीं कर सकते इसी की वजह से, तो आपको सम टिप्स को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, जिससे कि आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को इफेक्टिव बना सकते हो। You can, if you don't know vocabulary, there are many problems because of you are not using conversation. You will think, what should I speak? So you have to learn some words. Without vocabulary, our sentences are nothing. So we are going to give tips. Number 1 is that you have to not use dictionary. If you use dictionary, you will forget all words. You can take a notebook, any diary, you can write on that. You have to write, if you are getting any new words, you have to write that and you have to use in sentences. If you do not use that, you will forget what did you learn. And next point is that you can read newspaper, novels, you can read whatever, which book you like in English, you can read. If you are not understanding any word in that, you can underline that and search on Google and know what is pronunciation about that. That is pronunciation, not pronunciation, that is pronunciation. You have to search in Google. And you have to search meaning as well, but you have to use that meaning in daily conversation. By that you can remind. If you do not use them, you will forget, because of there is mind. In mind you cannot put all things together, you forget if you do not use them. You have to use in daily life. By that you can learn more vocabulary words. So third point is that if you are watching any videos, and you have to write which words you are not getting. You have to write and you have to use them. You have to make conversation with your friend. You can make conversation on video call and you can talk with your friends. You can use those words. If you are getting new words, you can use these words. By that your vocabulary will improve and your English speaking will be fluent. If you can make effectively your talking. And third point is done. Fourth point is that newspaper is done. What can you do? You can write words. How many words you should learn daily basis? You have to not learn 50, 40 words and 20 words. You have to learn only 1 to 5. That is enough. If you learn more words, you will forget all. You cannot learn single word as well if you are learning more words. And you have to learn 1 to 5 words daily, and I do only 1 word learn daily. I utilize that. If we do not utilize them, so we forgot all words. We have to learn 1 to 5 words daily basis, and we have to make sentence on that. We have to use in conversation. We have to use new words daily, and we have to use old words and new words together. By that your pronunciation and communication will improve. You can make effectively conversation with others. That person will think you are speaking very well because of vocabulary. Without vocabulary, we can speak only small. We cannot speak more. So for that, we have to learn vocabulary. Without vocabulary, our conversation and sentence are nothing. You have to learn. You have to not learn more. You have to learn only 1 to 5 on daily basis. You have to use them. If you don't use, you will forget what did you learn. So that's why you can learn. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को और